for say and let me breaking news no etremo say Ghana police ache ACP your friend Benjamin Agojo na ya che no say womo a womo yo madwen say nanka womo be basabasa yo e wo Ghana womo be coup d'etat no waka womo hu bi anse ne beto aso subscribe na click the notification bell no we get the latest news be about one sa ebeka say won say story na remember background to that story na remember background na wo beti asem na say ye ye kan police for a womo panyi e wo Ghana ha nyina police for panyi e ye IGP e free IGP a e ba COP e free COP a e ba ACP into ACP ya che no wo yobi a ye beka say in the ranks of police no waka top 3 ne ho na ya che no de enti ya che no ene say you say womo a womo ye omadwen nansi am breaking news ne tremo I think 2 months ago or so I'm breaking news ne tremo say yakoche nkrofo bi say womo ye etuo ene bomb e wo hospital bi a e wo alajo no nipa na hospital na ene de friend Dr. Frederick McPam na police for say womo ache sa police penyi ana yebeka say BNI4 na ache no sa na meka no BNI4 say womo ache sa police penyi say na woka womo ho eye womo a womo ye say womo be coup d'etat no na police penyi e ka womo ho na police penyi ne lawyer edensem abetudwa video am ye ende am breaking news no chairman no me kan sema ne lawyer e kan say abranche and yebeka say police penyi some time ago wo make comment and a comment no be hu ne say ase wo boetia aban na de bia eya wo make public commenter it looks like or chastise aban no na aban penyifo bi wo ho a de dada no na wo mo ka say papa we je senia eya wo tai kasa no wo ye NDC ni eya de na eya nkrofo eka na formerly no he was the director of police operations embra na NDC ewo aban mu no na wo ye director of police operations na ensembia ba BNI for we've heard from the BNI na de wo mo kan ene say sa ACP Benjamin Agozoi eya de na sabi allegedly na wo fande sa coup d'etat plotters yi na tre say coup d'etat for mo ye o ma say bo mbeye coup a wo mo ye etuo ene sa anyama ni ni say etuo ne bombs say sa anyama ni no e sikasem na ye say sika na wo mo de ye sa anyama ni na no BNI force mo hwehwe mo tre say papa we Mr. Benjamin Agozoi ono ena sebe na wo diska no ema wo mo ono ena na wo fande wo mo Ghana for people atre wo mo adwen on this particular matter but me de no ebebre wo later na asem no ene say anabia na for de wo mo ma ya tie ase ne say wo mo hwehwe mu tre say eye sa ACP Benjamin Agozoi na ya de a wo United Nation na okoboa eye United Nation mission e wo Mali nti na wo Mali nti embra wo Mali no ena na wo fande sankrofo we na aside say wo fande omo no na wo de wono angasa nso wo mo advice security advice say oh enyama bi say munye ne say enyama bi say munko ha munko ye enyama bi say munko ha eno ene nsema police for e de abeto yenim BNI for no eka nti etie for asem ne de esunye but me pese me read nsem bia ne lawyer no e de atodwa na ye ni ayete nsem na se ye emse ne lawyer ne din no a friend no Bebu me name say din man boni yamo fanchame I say essentially they are holding him over WhatsApp messages the fact that he was giving advice on lawful means of holding demonstration and donating towards a philanthropic cause. The lawyer no can say the entire ya cheno says sebe ye de subo kese we abono subo no wo hwa ye betumi aka say sebe ye nkokun no subo kese say ye de abono no the entire ye de abono ne say BNI for ehu say na wo ma wo mo eye instruction because wo mu bisa no say wo mo pese mo ye demonstration it demonstration no be na sen ena wakato mo say demonstration there say mo pese mo ya monko police for ho monko tro eye letter emma aposi for na police for no wo mo ma mo kwan say monko ye demonstration no eno ni nsema the lawyer no all count because em say eye evidence into the BNI for no wo mo mfa sa evidence no wo mo mfa mbetu ye nimye into no ye hu ye but akoye say obia e kan side source from BNI say papa no na wo tua sika ma nkrofo no ne lawyer nso source no ka say wo tua sika ma nkrofo no source no esan so ka say na wo san so mo security tips ne lawyer say sa sika na wo mo si wo tua no akoye say ya adoye na na wo ye ya adoye eno ne nsema ne lawyer no nso wo ye den wo ka na I've seen a lot of comments on this. Asema will be kind of say adoye saying like in Grofona then na womo ye orphanage home na wo say wo ya adoye but asem say will be ese wo de nisika ebe ya adoye a sebi wenyi wuntumi ntre no de won fa nisika no enye ati ase nti no is the lawyer's word ana abrantie no onya abrantie kra wenyi like wenyi I think obedu ni 50s inti eka say papa no eye ne word against the word of that of the BNI inti na court nsem abem no they are trying to arraign him before court na asem no the latest on this particular matter no me de ebebremo but here trust was say they also say he said conditions for Arab Spring are rife in Ghana na asem we kan that say BNI for no ema wo mo de kwache ne kese because we have conversation between wo mo say the war plan coup d'etat no any police ni na police ni no can say Ghana has a yanhwe ya basa ya koso was Arabian countries no ebi be koso ebi betumi ahye ase Ghana na the lawyer no can say a lot of Ghanaian commentators a lot of security experts ka sansem no ende inti de ntiana mo de nam asem boy so nti mo abeche no de so bo kese se abone so etiefo insem de eno ene da ho no internal court abem no na the lawyer no sanso ade say my client sees the case as a witch hunt and persecution over his outspokenness na me din kan try mo say the first video me here no me din kan try mo say ACP Dr. Benjamin Agozoi oyo bia tese wakasa ye emra MPP eba aban mu no wakasa ye na I've seen a lot of new videos that echo viral. Na Ghana for kase papa we send ya wo kasa no. Wan hwe ye de asem beto ne so. Nkrofo predict ye say Ghana has said de ye tia ni obi asebe wo kasa tia aban no. Because nsem na papa we wo ka no na ye ne kre. But ya ye nim se ne kre de o ka na wan koka no some style bia eya na etumi de asem eba. Na the lawyer no tell me say the way he spoke out at the IDEG event about how the police is not independent and the political interference in the service, this is not something he should be detained for. Now, and only video American wants him no. We because a video bang. I think it came video no earlier this year and I call viral. And brana ayawa so west work on in some so no. Papa no eko kan sem kesiye say police wo no aban ehihye police wo na ase. It is I was west work on in some ube komukano na aban and na other police for no say police for munyese. Na media sa video ni mo kan ma me nyante ye and ma me hu say police board president vice president and what so just say police penny just say what to me direct IGP class IGP chinipa we men chinipa we no the vice president who is a political head. Inti sebe yakochi MPP ni penyi bi na vice president aye ka se police board boy chairman e wo so e ma order se munjai MPP penyi na se mu bejai no because these security forces no ye de command e na ye adwuma wo kwa ye beka to say obey before command wo senior e ka se ye bibia e wo se wo ye den o ye inti no eno ene nsema e da ho na wakan se nwania e ma Ghana fo eni bie ye e won nsem bi so inti ngofu susu se eno hunti ena yede insem we to ne so ba mpese me read comments bi etremo na ye hwe de Ghana for eka obi say Martin Pebu has turned himself as a social commentator on several programs after NDC lost power and bias in favor of NDC. It's just a lawyer no na will be attacking wo obi so bisa question was say how much money do policemen have to finance a coup d'etat? Obi bisa say police for 7 years almost saying and a police ni we benya sika that much say what they ebeye coup d'etat na will be Once the Ghana the assemble here and Crawford at the year as race and maybe we say you serious. To be fair, yes, Ebia police ejumano entia, but you can't tell me say Ebia that's the only job he's doing. What you say? Yen son and say police ejumano pe and 1 year the 1 year. Ebia no one ejuma ko bebre. Nti wo ka say we police need to woni ska dia. And no there technically that's not the defense. But the pakono and our trainer doing. We'll be say your voice on the audio tape does not depict you as a peaceful person. Hey, now we for better than what. But it's here for some no and no ended down. One time, comment box in the moment I say.